Hi everyone. Okay, so I have LaLa Land came in today, or a few days ago, and this is my monthly subscription, and I pay $49 and change for this, I believe. I think it's like $49.50, but it's worth it to me. So this month, oh, look at this month. This is so awesome. She's a goddess. Oh, I love it so much. So I get the stamp and the die. And that's why it's a little less than 50 bucks, but it's so worth it. Oh my gosh, you guys, this is so cool. And look at how big they are. So they're like, I know it's not a word, but colorable. They're so colorable. And I love it. So and then look at the die. Oh my goodness, this is awesome. What a great month. I mean, they're all great months. That's how come I only skipped like 2 months. And then I rejoined because I'm like, oh, I need this. There's just awesome, 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 awesome. And then you cut these. It's like the old school days of Stampin' Up. You cut the sentiments out and it's red rubber. And then when you do, you pull this off. And then this is actually a holder, so it actually holds your stamps. See? So keep this, put it on there, and that way they hold. All right, guys, that was this month. So I can't wait to see what next month is. All right, take care. Bye.